Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register on Avalanche, easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type Avalanche or go directly to the official Avalanche website. Once the page loads, look for the Get Started button prominently displayed on the home page. Click on the Get Started button to access the registration page. You will see a prompt to create an account. Fill in your email address in the provided field. Create a strong password that includes a mix of letters and numbers. Re-enter your password in the confirmation field to ensure accuracy. Review and accept the terms of service. Click the Register button to submit your information. Check your email inbox for a verification email from Avalanche. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. You will be redirected back to the Avalanche website. Now, log in using your newly created email and password. Once logged in, you may be prompted to complete your profile. Fill in any required information, such as your name and contact details. Set up any additional security measures, such as two-factor authentication. After completing your profile, you can start exploring the features of Avalanche. Congratulations, you are now registered on Avalanche. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.